Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna make sticker. So this is the second type of sticker, how we can make sticker. So the things you require are I took pictures like printed over here, printed pictures of flowers, stone, non-living things, living things, etc. So you need tape, double-sided tape. I made this double-sided tape. You can check out my video. I uploaded the video and you need scissors. So let's start. So first you need to cut all these pictures in the regular shape like this. You can leave the borders a little bit. So you need to cut it all the shapes. So guys, here I have cut few of the pictures I had. So now we need to take our tape and then we need to cover tape on it. So we are going to do it differently today. So you need to take your tape like this and one by one you need to keep all the pictures. The pictures that you need to keep on the top like I am doing. You need to keep doing like this for all the pictures. Now you need to cut the extra tape border like I have a little bit extra over here. And you can keep whatever picture you want. You can draw by your hand. You need to then cut your picture like this. One picture, two pictures, then differently you need to cut like this. So here I have cut like almost all. And now after cutting you need to cut its border and make its border like smooth, like curvy like that. As I'm doing for this photo. So here I am done with all the cutting over here, as you can see the borders. Now we'll use this double-sided tape. We'll take a little bit of it like this and then we'll stick on the back side like this, and now we have to stick it somewhere where we like. Hence I'm over here with my sticker box. So here I'm gonna stick this sticker somewhere I like. So I'll stick it over here. It's like my sticker book. So let's do it more. Let's decorate it. You can decorate these in your like projects or mind maps or whatever homework you get. You can keep these stickers over there. Then you might get 10 like extra mark. So it looks beautiful, isn't it? Looking beautiful. I just love it. So this is here. I decorated two stickers over here, and now I have extra stickers over here. So I'm gonna keep it in my storage sticker over here. Go 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 go. And the other way how to make sticker videos will be coming very soon. So stay tuned. Keep watching. So thanks for watching my video. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Love you all guys. Bye bye.